red and round. B is for ball, it bounces on the ground. C is for cat, who purrs all day. Come on, friends, let's learn and play. D is for dog, who loves to run. E is for elephant, big and fun. F is for fish that swims so fast. We're learning letters, this is a blast. G is for goat, who climbs up high. H is for helicopter, zooming in the sky. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump up on your feet. K is for kite, flying so free. L is for lion, king of the sea. Oops, no king of the land, silly me. M is for monkey, swinging up tall. N is for nest, where birds call. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, black and white. Q is for queen with a shiny gold crown. R is for rainbow, up and down. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for tiger with stripes black and white. U is for umbrella when it starts to pour. V is for violin, let's play some more. W is for whale swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, making music with glee. Y is for yo-yo, up and down so neat. Z is for zebra with stripes on its feet. ABC, sing it again just like me, me.